Alrighty, guys. Look, it's Lucy's sister. Okay, guys, we've got a new little puppy. Okay, so one of my friends said, why don't we use the leaves for compost? Look at our road dog, guys. She's just a street dog. Look at you. Alrighty, guys. Let's see Kitty eating some fish that Jake and I just caught. Are you enjoying that, Kitty?
Let me take the guts out. You might not want to show this part.
Hi, Lucy. Hi, Lucy. Hi, Cookie. Hi, Cookie.
Guys, you see how much that is? Do you see how much that is? Let's burn it. Okay, so I'm just opening the thinner. Alright, let's put a little bit of thinner. Okay, that's generally enough. Alright, and now we're going to safely. I think I missed a little bit. Wait, I got this. There we go. We have fire. Bro, that fire is crazy. It's so hot, like I can't go any closer, like, and there's like quite a bit distance between. There's a hot fire. We're gonna have to help this out a little bit, so let's grab this lid over here. It's so hot. As you have to see the fattest dog, one of the fattest street dogs I've ever seen. Look at him. You're fat. You're fat. Look at him. He's fat. There's a guest house, so they feed him really nicely, and he's really thick. Look, it's Lucy's sister. Doesn't she look just that itself, her sitting down there and wagging her tail on the floor? Isn't that so much like Lucy? She's just the cutest.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, 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 hi.
Just as crazy as Lucy, yeah? She's just got more street dog fur than Lucy. Tail is different, but she's exactly the same as her.
Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes.
She does the same mouth thing. Look at her. Look at her. Kachiki. Kachiki. No, and she's on the ground. Okay, so one of my friends said, why don't we use the leaves for compost? And yeah, we do. I did tell him that we have so much that we can't just keep putting it all for compost. But yeah, because every day there's around a full thing of what I showed you guys. Full of leaves. So yeah. Okay guys, so this plant over here was practically dead. It was just a twig, but after she started putting the leaves around them, they've been composting by themselves down there. As you can see, it's all wet. So yeah, it actually has been working for the plant, and the rest, which we can't keep layering on here, we burn because there's nothing else to do. Okay guys, we've got a new little puppy, and she's just so sweet. She's such a sweet little character. But we've got Madam over here watching her, and Lucy's looking at her for the first time. See, Madam is watching her. Kitty's guarding the doggy. Come, Lucy, come, come, come here, come here, baby. I sang Bob Marley to her while we were bringing her home because she was from so far away. But yeah, Lucy's sussing her out for the first time. They're gonna be best friends soon. They're gonna be running and playing, and it's gonna be nice. She's scanning out the backyard.
Go. Check out the place. Enjoy, have fun, run around.
Maybe I should get Lucy in a playful mood. Her first meal, guys. We've thought of a name. We thought maybe Nai. She looks like a Nai. That means dog in Tamil. But it's more like Bill Nye, you know? Like Nye. Oh. She's enjoying that, huh? Rice and bread and all the things she never got before. Look at her wagging the tail. Guys, I've put Kitty's food up there, which is fish and rice. And hers is not fish mixed with rice, it's just rice. Is she crying? She wants the fish and rice. Are you just a whiny little baby? You can't have the fish and rice as well. You already had fish. That's fish boiled in rice. Why don't you have it? You already had. She's just being greedy. She's just being she knows she can take advantage because she's new and she's cute. I need a poopy poopy. You need a poopy poopy poopy. Been there, done that, doggy. Look at our road dog, guys. She's just a street dog. Look at you. Why you have so much place to lie down, and you have to lie down in the filthy, dirty ground, no? Look at you, man. Look at you. You're just a street dog. Say it. Say it. I am a street dog. Say it. Say it, Lucy. Say it. I am a street dog. Funny girl.
So let's ride this road together.
I'm excited. You guys see our diesel stash? Because there's a diesel shortage. We have a stash hidden in the room.